Now when it comes to opaque, or known as wipeouts, you'll notice that some of our 2D symbols from the catalog, as well as some of the commands, contains opaques. So under the SI arc, 2D plan, and I go to my wall parameters, bottom left hand side there's an option that says use opaques for windows and doors. So what that means is whenever you're going to bring in a door, this is normal 2D command from Caddie, and let's bring in a window as well, just a quick window, and let's make it slightly bigger, NC12. Now you will see that within that block, because these symbols that you see here, they are blocks, but inside that block there's an opaque. Now it doesn't matter if I'm going to move my symbol now, that's the advantage of using opaques, it will update what's behind it, because the opaque wipe out or blank out all the way to the back. As well as if you're going to delete the symbol, you don't have to redo the hatch. So that is the advantage of using opaques. Now in this exercise, what we're going to make use of, as you can see, I made use of an image, and then I did my sweep path analysis. But now I would like to blank out some of these cars or these areas. I don't want to see those cars. So I've added the opaque. Now the command itself is under annotate, opaque wipeout, and the command says create opaque. Now it's an existing command, so I'm just going to switch on my opaque. But what I show you now is that each and every opaque has got a border. So if I go to my sheet that I've created, the viewport, I'm going to ask Caddie file print preview. Now in this preview, as you can see, the border of my opaque prints in a dark black pen color. So I want to see the border, but I don't want to plot the border. So that's the enhancement in Caddie 29. So if I'm going to go back to my model space, now you can decide either in this current drawing, or you can set it as drawing default. So let's do it for this current drawing first. So if I go to my current drawing setting, it's only applicable to this drawing. I'm going to ask Caddie, when it comes to my opaque, so you just double left click, up to Caddie 29, you add don't show and you add show. So new to 29 is show but don't plot. So I'm going to set it to show but don't plot. I'm going to say OK. So if I now go to my sheet, F7 or file print, I'm going to say preview, you will see that it doesn't show the dark black border. So that is in the current drawing. Otherwise, you can just go to configure, drawing defaults, and you'll see in your bottom left hand side there's an option that says opaque borders. And as you can see now, I can set it to show but don't plot. So any drawing from here onwards will show the border, but the border won't plot.